How I
How I
repairs an
repaired
ITEL
an
21 to
iPhone
60 LCD screen
LCD
flex that has been cut off.
has been cut. The 2160 LCD product has been cut. So firstly, I had to scratch the LCD screen, the cut part. I had to scratch it very well. You have to scratch it. You scratch it so that the inner flex is going to be shown. You have to scratch it very well. And after scratching it, you then apply your paste, as you can see right in the video. Just apply your paste, then you sew it thoroughly. You have to sew it very well, make sure that what you are sewing are straight and accurate. So after sewing it, then you put your battery to test whether what to do this part, as I'm about to do right now. I'm about to put the battery to check whether I've done a good job. Just wait and see whether I've done a good job. It is a screen that has been cut. The test has been cut, but I had to apply wisdom. So I'm about to on it right now. I'm just about to on it. Wow, it's on. That means I've done a good job. So what you have to do is that you don't need to just be buying screen anytime that you see such, that you come across such. You just apply wisdom as I did here in this video. That's as you can see right now.